Hello, my friend. Today I'm going to make Instant Pot pressure cooker chicken cacciatore, or as I like to call it, chicken rigatore. Now, cacciatore means hunter in Italian, chicken hunter. Rigatore means I'm hungry, it's time to eat. Come here, let me show you how easy this is going to be. Now, doesn't this look marvelous? I have 3 of the first tomatoes out of my garden. I have 2 big mushrooms, some peppers, red and orange, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 cloves of garlic, big hunk of onion. I have 2 pounds of frozen chicken breast tenderloins, but I'm going to use about 1 pound. And I have a pound of shells. You can use spaghetti, you can use penne, you can use rigatoni, whatever you like. 1 jar of sauce, 1 pound 8 ounces. I'm going to add some water to that, a little tomato paste. Let's start cutting it up. Now this is the Instant Pot pressure cooker, and you can use this recipe in any pressure cooker you have. I just happen to be able to reach the Instant Pot quickly. Oh, and don't let me forget the cheese at the end. That's going to be the best. All right, let me cut these up quick. Let me peel this onion. Do this carefully. I got a fancy slicing gadget over there. Where is that? An ogre is like an onion. Peel back the layers. They keep peeling back the layers. Funky. And you can add, subtract to this however you like. How do I like to do this? I like to do this. I like to do that. Be careful though. Well, it's another hot summer day, and I'm not going to ever complain about that because I don't like the cold winter days. Maybe you do, but I don't. Look at this. Careful. Okay, go all over. There's enough onions to be safe. Big portobello mushrooms. Make them big and chunky. I like them. You can use small mushrooms or no mushrooms. Need a bigger cutting board, no? Oh, look at these tomatoes. First ones out of the garden. I love them so much. You know it. Wait till we start getting hundreds of them out there, hopefully. These are small because they're a faster growing tomato. Yeah, just like that, see? Big chunks. Cut that out of there. Oh, it smells so good already, all these fresh vegetables. Garlic. Oh, somebody dropped a mushroom. This is going to melt in that pressure cooker anyway, those garlic, so could have used 20 more cloves. That's going to be good. We're going to get some good flavor out of that. And let me cut these and rinse the seeds out at the sink, see? Oh, it smells so good. So delicious. Instant Pot pressure cooker chicken rigatore. We all cut up? Oh, I missed one. I get them. Remember, put anything you want in here. Green peppers, no onions, red onions. Let's get going. Talking too much. I'm hungry. I guarantee just these vegetables smell so delicious. Okay, this is 24 ounces of tomato sauce. Put half the jar down there. Put our vegetables in there. Oh, half the vegetables. 1 pound of pasta shells. Oh, yeah. Now, like I said, this is 2 pounds of chicken. I'm going to put 1 pound, so I'm going to put about half of this because this is just a light lunch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Frozen. 5, 6, 7. That's enough. Oh, yeah, that's enough. More of the veggies. You following along at home? I'm gonna empty this. Well, first I'm gonna put the rest of my sauce on top of that. I'm gonna fill this jar with water. About 7/8 of the way full. I'm gonna shake it around. I'm gonna open this tomato paste can. See? I'm going to pour that tomato paste into the jar of water. Hopefully I'm going to pour it, or I'm going to scoop it. You know how these are. Scoop. Don't waste none of that. No. Just going to thicken it up a little. We want our pasta to be covered with liquid at least. In the pot. It smells so delicious. Put that in there. Shake that up again. I think it's good? Yeah, I think it's good. Yes. Oh, yes. Add a little black pepper, some sea salt to your liking. You can add any spice you like here. You can change it any way you like, because it's yours. I'm going to mix it up somewhat. When you get out. See? All incorporated beautifully. Seven minutes. Did I say that? I also said we wanted our pasta all wet, covered with liquid. So I'm going to add another half a jar of water. And if I didn't use the whole pound of that pasta, you wouldn't need to add extra water. But I can tell from experience, I did this many times. See, that's how I want it. Where do you see this at the end? You just wait. That's it. Now, preparing it took longer than it's going to take to cook it, except for when we're waiting for the pressure to build up. Look at my tomatoes. I got my garden tomatoes in there. I'm so excited. Let's put our lid on. Put a little sprinkle of cheese in there. That ain't going to hurt nothing. Add some cheese at the end. You know that. Put the lid on. Tinkle, tinkle. Make sure you're in pressure mode or sealing mode in the back here, depending on what your pressure cooker says. This one says sealing. And we're going to go to manual for 7 minutes. And it should go. Oh, 1, 2, 3. There it is. Okay. While I'm waiting for the pressure to build up, I'm going to clean up my mess a little bit here. And then I'm going to count down for 7 minutes and we're going to have a delicious chicken cacciatore made in an Instant Pot pressure cooker. Be back soon. Can't wait. Smells so good right now. Oh, less than a minute remaining. And I'm starting to smell it. That smells so good. You getting hungry with me? Remember, I got my cheese here. Mozzarella and provolone. There it is. Thank you. Now I could let this release naturally, but I know it's done because I've made pasta like this many times. Never reckon Cacciatore though, or chicken raccaformari, or chicken cacciatore. The pressure is almost completely released. We're waiting for that red pin to drop in the back there. Maybe you have that on your pressure cooker or something similar. Almost all the way out. It was out. Look inside. Oh. Oh boy. Tomatoes, remember? Peppers, pasta, onions, garlic, mushrooms. Let me get a plate. Oh wait, see, I almost forgot that cheese again. I always do that. Let me open up that delicious mozzarella and provolone mix. You can put this separately on your plate then too. But I like to put it in there, let it get incorporated. Put that lid on for 2 more minutes. And then we'll take a look at it. Put the lid back on for a couple minutes. Right back. Can't wait no longer. Could have melted more, but I'm too impatient. I'm gonna put it on a plate. It's gonna continue to melt. You see it's still bubbling in there. Ready? Let me get some chicken on there. Remember, that was frozen solid. Oh. Is that enough for a taste test? I think so. Come here. Got some bread and butter. Put that on the side. Oh, yes. A little more Parmesan cheese on top. You want some, don't you? Look at this chicken. Cut it with a fork. So tender. Oh, the garlic. The pasta is done perfectly. I'm going to sit down and enjoy this, but I just wanted to show you this quick. Or try it in your pressure cooker, whatever pressure cooker you have. Stay healthy and safe out there. Stay safe like Mackenzie. So you can get home and play. She's a good girl. Got some onions in there. Where's that mushroom? Where's the mushroom? Thanks for watching. Stop back soon. Please subscribe. Try it. You'll like it. Believe me. Have a nice day. Stay cool, all right? See ya. Bye. Oh, missed. That's all right. So good.